everyone, today is going to be a really interesting day because this is the first time I'll be filming in my new place. It's my new apartment. It's still really empty. You can see the kitchen at the back. It does sound a little echoey in here and I'd like to apologize for that. I wanted to do a Halloween inspired look just because it is autumn and fall. I'm going to be using my MORPHE 39A Dare to Create palette to do an autumn look today. So I haven't been playing with makeup for a hot minute because I'm kind of having a rough couple days. So I'm going to be taking this shade right here. This is the shade Beige, which is always the transition shade I'm using. I always use that shade, always. There's so many transition shades here that you can choose from, so you just take your pick. But I'm using Beige. I'm going to be taking the color Define Me, which is this color right here. And I'm going to be laying that over Beige, but a little bit underneath, so not too high, but not like, it's not going to be like my lid color. Please ignore the kitchen at the back because this is a studio apartment and it's really small and there's no furniture here. Nothing at all, except like a few stands and a water heater and stovetop thing. You know, moving is such a pain in the butt. I didn't think it would be stressful at all because on HGTV, they're like so happy all the time and they're like so, yay, we're moving, we're going to a better place. The only people who seem stressed are the people who actually, you know, have to start from scratch and have renovations. Oh my gosh, moving is hella stressful. And I'm taking the color Beige again in a fluffier brush and just blending that in. I'm taking the color Vibrant, just like this like burnt orange color and almost like a brown color. It's really pigmented and I'm just going to be, oh yeah, uber pigmented. I'll just be putting that all over the crease. Not as my lid shade yet, but it will be a transition to that. Sometimes you start to lose yourself and yeah. So I'm taking the color Beige again and I'm just going to be blending everything out. Now I'm going to be taking the color, this is the color Vivid, which is a brighter orange. And I'm going to be packing that all over the lid just to mute that burnt orange a little bit, just make it a little bit lighter because it is a little dark. I've been experiencing a few difficulties as well, you know, with friends, with work, with people, and with this whole move. And I have an exam on Tuesday, I have an exam on Saturday, I have exams and I haven't even started studying. Life decided to bombard me with all these problems compressed in the whole month of October. It's just like crazy. I'm just taking another brush, taking that canvas color. It's just this canvas color right here. And I'll just be blending that a little bit higher. I'm going to do my lashes, my brows, and my face, and I'll be right back. Hey guys, so I went ahead and did my foundation, my brows, and everything, and I did use a brush to do my wing liner. I realized I did not bring half of my collection with me, so I had to go and look for a lipstick to do my wing liner with, and I used the NYX Lingerie in Teddy. I don't even know if this is eye safe, so please do not do that. If you have brown eyeshadow or brown pomade or whatever, use that. Don't follow me. To intensify that brown, oh my gosh. To intensify that brown wing liner, I'm going to be going ahead and taking the color Deep Hue, which is this beautiful brown color here in the palette. And I'll just be going over the liner with that color. I think it's kind of the same color, maybe. When I do this, you can see all of this. I have to, oh my god. This palette doesn't really have like a highlighting shade, so I have to open another palette, and I'm going to be opening my chocolate bar palette. And I'll be highlighting my brow bone. Oh, the smell of chocolate is just intoxicating. I will be highlighting my brow bone with I have a video on this. Can you, oh my gosh. You know how angry it makes me to be scammed? This is a normal brush. This is the brush it came. I will be making a video on how I got scammed and where I got these brushes and how I will never buy from them again. I'm taking up White Chocolate from the Chocolate Bar palette. It's a very nice, beautiful matte highlighting shade, and I'll be putting that all over my brow bone. Okay, so I did my lashes. I'm not doing any falsies right now because I'm just too lazy, okay? I'm just too lazy to do falsies. I'm too lazy to do it. I want fresh, natural. I'm just really lazy, but yeah, fresh and natural is good. Okay, so now for my bottom lashes, I will be going in with the color Bear again from the 39A palette. And I'll just be taking a smaller brush. So I'm going to be laying over some Bear. And then I'm going to go in with the shade next to it, Canvas. Slowly building that color up, just so it doesn't look like it's just like a stark orangey color. And then I want to use a different shade this time. I want to make it a little bit different. So I'm going to be taking my personal favorite color from this palette. This is the color Create. It's this beautiful like purpley plum color. I think it's gonna work. I think it's gonna work. I mean, there are no rules when it comes to makeup, and yeah, okay. I like it. I'm gonna take the color. This is the color Define Me. Did I use this earlier? I don't remember anymore. I'm just so messed up right now. I'm just gonna go over that color with this color. So that's Define Me, just to warm up that Create color a little bit and just make it a little bit more smoked out. And then we're gonna be popping on some false. No. We're just gonna do some mascara. I'm gonna do some bottom mascara. I'm gonna use this Tarte Lights Camera Lashes, I think. Just because it's the first thing I saw, it's the first thing I grabbed. I mean, if you see what mess I have right now, you'd understand. I hate it when I get this spoolie stuck on my hair. It's like, oh. The very last thing is we're going into that Chocolate Bar palette, and we're gonna take that Creme Brulee. It's like a nice gold shade, which is a nice like pop of color in your eye. So right now, I've been using this a lot for like shimmer shades. Do not judge me, this works. This is just like a normal like sponge applicator. It works, it really does. If you have like really long nails, it's gonna be really difficult to reach that inner corner, so I like to use this, although I don't have long nails. I'm so silly sometimes. And I think it's a little too dark, so I'm gonna go in with another palette. This is my favorite palette. This is the I Think I Love You palette by Colourpop. This palette I use non-stop. Like I use this all the time, especially like on weekends when I have to go somewhere or something. I use that a lot. So I'm going to take another sponge application that's cleaner but has hair on it. So, and I'm going to be taking the color, I don't know what this color is, Girls Bite. It's this really light gold shade here. It's lighter than the other golds there, so I'm hoping that it'll fix this situation a bit and give me a nice highlight instead of like a shadow. And finally, I'm also going to be taking, because just to be extra, I'm taking the color Rowdy, which is like this stark pink white. And I'm going to be popping that on top of that corner shade. Just a pop. Okay, so we're almost done. Now I'm going to be doing my contour, my blush, bronzer, everything, and lipstick, and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so I'm back and I'm done with the look. This is like 3 layers. This is like 3 layers of lipstick because I had no idea which lipstick to use. So I put on, please don't laugh at me. I put on this is the lipstick by Maybelline. It's the Matte and Clay Crush. Then I was not happy with it, so I put this. This is the Push Up by NYX Lingerie. And I was like, you know what? No, it's still not it. So I put Sleek in Cinnamon Spice Matte Mousse, and I am having the driest lips right now, but it looks better, so I'm good, all for the sake of makeup. So this is the look. I hope you enjoyed the video. I know I was just like a rant. I mean, I don't even know how to get this up because my laptop's broken, and my background is a mess. Look at that, it's just like a mess. Just don't look. And this ear thing, this hurts like hell. I'm gonna remove it because it is painful. Wow. Okay, I was just like, it hurts. Thank you so much for watching the video. My name is Sahar. Please enjoy. Please subscribe and like this video if you haven't already, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.